Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix marathon game controller not working or gamepad not working issue. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If the issue continues, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Just go for it and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now check whether controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache and finally confirm it, and after that log into Steam once again and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is, if you are using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it. This will surely help to fix the issue. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here you can see big picture mode, enter it and try to play the game, and after that exit big picture mode and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working in marathon game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.